James chapter 2, verse 17. Faith by itself, if it is not accompanied by action, is dead. 5 words that Martin Luther could not live with. Luther built the Reformation on one idea, that salvation comes through faith alone, not deeds, not effort, faith. And then there was James, sitting right inside the New Testament, arguing the opposite. Luther called it an epistle of straw and pushed to have it removed from the Bible entirely. Think about what that means. One sacred text, 2 completely opposite answers to the most important question in Christianity. Can faith alone save you, or does it have to produce something visible in how you live? This is not an old argument that got settled. It is the fault line that still separates billions of believers today. Catholic and Protestant traditions both claim the same scripture and still land in different places on this. So what do you do with a book that seems to contradict itself on the one question that matters most? Where do you land on this? Like and follow for more.